Lagos Danfo no be child's play o. If you never lose something for bus before, you never complete. But this particular case, e get as it take end wey go make you reason your life well well. Make I yarn you. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yan Tori, where we dey break lost stories for your side every day. No darling, make you no forget to subscribe, like and share. The matter be this, na early morning rush hour for Ojota. Danfo full like say dem dey dash free rice. Everybody squeeze, conductor dey shout, "Ojota, CMS, enter with your change o." Mercy manage enter. One hand hold her bag, the other one hold phone as she dey reply message. Na that moment, Femi see am. Him eye just shine. Today na my lucky day be this. As bus jam brake small, everybody shift. Femi use that chance collect the phone sharp sharp. Clean work, no noise. But Lagos no fit ever that simple. Immediately, Mercy check her hand. My phone don go. Before you say Egbami, one hagbero for inside bus shout, "Driver, no move, na this boy collect am." Na so confusion start. Passengers hold Femi, some wan give am jungle justice. Femi begin beg, "I no go do am again, na mistake." Luckily, police wey dey nearby come carry am go station before matter turn something else. Few days later, case land for court. Femi stand for dock, head down like student wey fail WAEC. Magistrate Chuku shake head. Stealing for public transport na serious offense under the law. This kind act fit even put you for prison. He pause small, look Femi well. But since this na your first offense and you still young, this court good temper justice with mercy. Judgment: short-term imprisonment with option of fine. Community service, strong warning. Magistrate add, next time you no go get this kind of opportunity again. Femi face change instantly. You go know say regrets don enter body. Mercy collect her phone back, just dey smile like lesson don set. Still e no dey pay. Even small thing fit bring big wahala. One mistake fit change your life. Una don ever lose phone for bus before? Or you don catch thief before? Wetin happen? Drop your story make we gist. Till next time, na Make We Yan Tori, where gist dey teach sense.